Hello everyone, in this tutorial, we will learn how to create scrolling slide zoom navigation by using Morph Transition and Slide feature in PowerPoint. This feature allows you to easily navigate through your presentation with a smooth and seamless scrolling motion. It's a great way to enhance your presentation and keep your audience engaged. So let me show you how you can create this step by step. Let's go. By the way, in this tutorial, I am on Windows 11 and using PowerPoint Microsoft 2019. The first step is to create your presentation in PowerPoint. Make sure that you have all of your slides and content ready before moving on to the next step. Now we can go to Insert and let's click on Slide Zooms. And now let's just select all of the slides that we would like to create slide zooms for and click Insert Slide Zooms. Now position them in a row. Make sure all the slides are in a straight row and the gap between them should be equal. For this, go to Align Options. Let's align these slides to the top. And let's distribute them horizontally so that we have equal horizontal gaps. Let's now combine them into a single, stunningly large group. This will make moving all of these slide zooms around simpler. Let's now shift all of these slide zooms to the right. That's fantastic. The following action is to choose each of these slide zooms, navigate to Zoom Settings, and click this checkbox, Go back to Zoom. This means that after zooming into a slide, clicking again takes us back to the first slide. Let me now demonstrate how we can add some navigation arrows to the slide's right and left sides. So go to Insert Shapes and use Triangle Shape. Let's give it a white color. Let's move it over to the right side of the slide now. That's fantastic. And now we'll have to create one more arrow on the left side, so we can just quickly duplicate the first arrow. And let's flip the second arrow horizontally. Let me now demonstrate how we can make this arrow clickable, so that when we click it, we can scroll to the left or right side. So, first, make sure the arrow is selected. Let's go to the Insert tab and look for this action button there. Let's click that and make sure we're linking to the previous slide. OK. And as well, we'll have to adjust the action on right arrow so that it links to the next slide. OK. Let's also relocate this arrow out of the slide window. This arrow does not need to be visible in the first slide. It will not be seen until the second slide. And now we can duplicate the first slide, and in the second slide, we will change the position of these slide zooms. Now, take this lovely collection of slide zooms and drag it to the left side of the slide, so that the second zoom is in the center of the slide. Bring the left arrow back to the screen to make it visible on this slide. That's awesome. Now again duplicate the slide and let's repeat the steps. Let me finish the duplicate slide zoom. Make sure Morph Transition is activated on all slides. Alright, all of the slides are ready and check it on full screen. It is working perfectly. That's awesome. Let's scroll to the right side. That's great. Thank you for taking the time to watch. Continue to follow Muted Gyan for more great content. Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to click the bell symbol so you don't miss any updates.